What's up, guys? Just got done doing a walk around on the 66 Mustang. We're getting ready to do a walk around on the 65 Mustang Convertible here with a 260 under the hood. Easy way to figure that out is the 64 and a halves had the generator, which should mean it has the 260 in it. So we're gonna be doing a little walk around, pointing out any kind of flaws that I could find. That way you know exactly what you're getting when you get here. Check out our website, maplemotors.com, for more information. We got financing, wheels, tires, parts, accessories, and yes, we can ship these cars all over the nation. You can also see all of our inventory up here. Definitely check that website out. Hit that subscribe button for videos posted every single day. We're getting ready to get started here. Starting up here in the front, gonna look around the bumpers, check anything out that you may need to know before you get here. I'm gonna be looking for rust, dents, scratches, any kind of Bondo or something that may be hidden that I can see. I will tell you about. The bumper on this is not brand new, but it's in good condition. It's not messed up. Same with the grill. It looks pretty good. There's a light scratch right there below the emblem. Decent tires on this car. Drum brakes all the way around. Trim looks pretty good. We will be dropping the top before we end the video, and we'll take off on a test drive. I'll be doing that as a separate video though, so be looking for the test drive video elsewhere. A little dry cracked around the vent window there. It's kind of common, especially in these older cars. Some bubbles popping up at the bottom of the door. Very small, subtle. There's a chip there. Same with all around the bottom. It's where you're getting in and out of the car and you hit it with your boot or your shoe. Tops of the door handles, a little bit of pitting. The top looks like it's in pretty good shape. Not bad, it hasn't been on here too long. Normally the back windows would be all yellowed and hazy, and you can see that's nice and clear. This one does have the rack on the back to carry your luggage or whatever you need. Some light scratches in this back panel. Little spot on top there as well. Back bumper's in decent shape, about the same as the front. Dual exhaust out the back. There's a crack right here. Tires are in good shape on the back as well. That's fairly new. A little bit of pitting, some scratching on the top of the door handle there. Same thing on this side with the chips. Getting in and out of your car. Your woman kicks it with her high heels. Takes a chunk out of it. You're all on a date, she don't want to say nothing. You find it later. There's a chip right there as well. A little spot down here in the corner of the passenger door and on the fender here. Sweet, made it around. Discount batteries. Interstate. AC's not gonna work on this one. Getting ready to put y'all on the virtual head cam. We're gonna drop the top and we'll continue this video. That way you get a good look of how to take the top down, how it works. And we'll check the interior out. Okay, we're gonna jump in here. With the top, you just pull these levers on both sides. Of course, you got to start the car up. This one starts up nice and easy. And then you will hit the switch, which will let the top down. Comes down nice and easy. That's all it is. Go ahead, take the poll. Do you think the horn works? We're gonna get back to looking around the car here. All right, I got y'all off my head. Go ahead and roll the window down in the back. Roll the driver's window down. We'll check out this door panel. It's in pretty good shape. The door handle itself's got a little bit of dry rot on it. The panel looks great though. Weather stripping around the door is nice and soft. It's already been replaced. Give you an undershot of the door here. Carpet in this one looks pretty good. The seat's in good shape. Does have a little bit of a scuff mark there. The back seat's got a little crinkle in it as well. It's not ripped up. Just needs to be stretched out a little bit. Coming across the dash, it's in pretty good shape. It does have that little spot in the middle, but it's not all tore up either. Did y'all take the horn pole yet? It works. Seatbelt look fairly new in these. In this one. Having a hard time talking today, guys. Probably the heat. It's very hot. It's like the hottest day of the summer here in Tennessee. We'll go ahead and try our windshield wipers. They're working pretty good, but it's that game. You stop them where you want them. And that's where I want them. We'll go ahead and try the horn. I mean, not the horn, the radio. See, I am having a hard time talking. Nothing's going on with the radio. Blower motor, it is cutting on, I hear it. What about this one? The under dash AC. Please be cold. Anything feels better than nothing. We'll give that some time. This one's showing 21,000 miles on the dash. Temperature's still low on the dash there. Your fuel gauge is looking like it's empty, so we're gonna stop and get some gas for sure. I don't believe that's cold. It just feels good because there's a breeze. We'll be getting the keys here in a moment and opening the trunk up. Motor's nice and quiet on this one. Go ahead and shut the hood down. Exhaust is nice and quiet. And let's roll these windows down. guess I'll go ahead and cut it off and pop the trunk. We'll give you some undercarriage shots, and then we'll be heading out on a test drive. So be looking for that video. It'll be at the end of this one, the last 30 seconds, or just type in the YouTube search bar 1965 Mustang Maple Motors. You can also use our stock numbers and find any of the cars, test drive video, and a walk around just like this. Now we got to play that game of which one's the trunk key. I'm gonna go with a circle. Let's try the circle. Boom. Oh, stay up. The trunk don't stay up by itself on this one, so I'll have to hold it. Weather stripping needs to be replaced around the trunk. We do have a boot for the top. We will be putting that on because it looks much better. Just throw it up there for now. This is a solid trunk here. It's in great shape. Okay. Well, let's see how easy this shuts. There it is. With the boot, all you do is you just clip it all the way around on the clips there, and I'll have it on here in a moment. Before we start the test drive, I'm not going to waste y'all's time and show you how to put clips on. Y'all know how to do that. So I did it with this one. That's typically what it's going to look like. If you watch my test drive video, you'll be able to see that one on. I want to go ahead and give you some undercarriage shots. We're going to start up here in the front, go to the driver's side, the rear, and the passenger side, and yes, we will take the test drive. Should be pretty fun. Set of Mustangs. All right, undercarriage shots, here we go. Hopefully that helps you out. That way you know exactly what you're coming to buy. If you don't mind, hit that subscribe button. I post videos every day. We try to help you out up here at Maple Motors. We've been here 37 years. You can come check us out. We're in Middle Tennessee, about 15 minutes north of Nashville, Tennessee, in a little town called Hendersonville. Definitely go to maplemotors.com for financing information. Close to 100 detailed pictures, all of our inventory up here, and shipping. Yes, we can ship these cars all over the US. I do appreciate y'all watching. It helps us out greatly if you share my videos, and I appreciate you. Thank you very much, guys. Test drive video is located at the bottom right corner of your screen. Don't be afraid to give us a call.